Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So here I've already opened the docs.google.com/spreadsheets, and if you want to start or to create a new spreadsheet, it's basically so easy. After you go to this web or link, you can just click on blanks right here, or you can also use the template from Google Sheets. But if you want to create from scratch, you can just click on blank, and after that a new spreadsheet, a blank spreadsheet like this will be automatically open, and then you can just make your own spreadsheet. You can make your own edit or data in here. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can make a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye!